Hey, everybody. It's Pyro Bear 420 coming at you again. Today, I went and met up with one of my fellow Pyro YouTubers, Pyro Uverse. We did a little shopping and a little fireworks trading, and this is what I come home with. Thanks again, Uverse. That's Pyro Uverse. He's a great guy. Another local Michigan pyro. Alright. I picked up 2 packs of the new flash crackers, the Ghost from Red Apple. A pack of parachute 7 lanterns. They're a nighttime. They're a nice parachute. They got 7 little red balls that float down with them. Got a few packs of Roman candles here. I got 5 of the Platinum Thunder and 1 of the Flowering Thunder. These are new candles this year by Pyrostar. They're really good. Especially the Blue Neon and the Platinum Thunder. They're really, really good candles, you know? They're kind of close to, these. Yeah, that's right. Got a couple bangers today. I'd like to thank you again, Pyro Uverse, on these here. I got 2 packs of these 2-inch ball shells. There's 6 in each pack. Yep. See it? And then I got a 4-pack of these. Smaller, what are they, inch and a quarter ball shells. Got a nice bang, but I'm expecting a lot out of these. That's what I picked up today. Had some fun, socialized, made some more friends in the Pyro universe here. Hopefully I get a chance to meet some more of you Michigan Pyros here. We all need to get together and maybe do a shoot or something. But that's my stash for the day. I think I got a couple more things I gotta pick up. That's if they come in by the 4th of July. Gonna have to go back to Red Apple, Motor City, hit up Monroe, go see Mary down there. She's the manager of the Monroe store. She's a nice lady, she'll take care of you. And then of course I gotta go see my buddy, the King of Boom himself. Got some stuff over there I need to go pick up. And stay tuned, guys. There'll be some more demo videos here soon. Was gonna do one today, but it's downpouring by buckets out there. Maybe if it stops early enough, I'll light some stuff off tonight. And like always, everybody have fun and be careful. Don't blow your fingers off.